हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, यूट्यूब चैनल सोशियो क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम इस वीडियो में बीए सिक्स्थ सेमेस्टर के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। नेम ऑफ द पेपर इज हिस्ट्री एंड कल्चर ऑफ पंजाब पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस पीरियड फॉर बीए कैंडिडेट्स ओनली। इसके मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 50 हैं। थ्योरी पेपर 45 मार्क्स का होगा। इंटरनल असेसमेंट 5 मार्क्स की लगाई जाएगी। टाइम अलाउड 3 आवर्स। स्टूडेंट्स, इसके अलावा बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के वीडियो यहीं पे मिल जाएंगे और सिलेबस के वीडियो भी यहाँ से देख सकते हो। पंजाबी सोशियोलॉजी, पंजाबी इलेक्टिव के कुछ लेक्चर्स के वीडियो भी यहीं से आप देख सकते हो, तैयारी कर सकते हो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी मीडियम में चाहिए तो हिंदी मीडियम में भी ये बना दिया जाएगा। आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हो, उसके बाद आपको हिंदी मीडियम में ये वीडियो मिल जाएगा। सबसे पहले आपके पेपर में नोट होगा आंसर एनी 5 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन 25 to 30 वर्ड्स ईच। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड पंजाब बिकम अ फूड डिफिक्ट एरिया। नेक्स्ट इज हु वाज अपॉइंटेड एज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर ऑफ ईस्ट पंजाब। एंड थर्ड, व्हाट वाज रीजनल फॉर्मूले। एंड फोर्थ, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मल्टी क्रॉपिंग। एंड फिफ्थ, वेयर इज पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी एंड व्हेन इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड। एंड नेक्स्ट, हु वाज गुरचरण सिंह टोडा। एंड सेवंथ, व्हेन वाज इंडस वाटर्स साइंड एंड बिटवीन होम। स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्वेश्चंस जो लास्ट ईयर में पेपर आया था उसमें अगर देखें तो सारे क्वेश्चन इसी में से आए हुए हैं। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन थोड़े से अलग से डाले गए हैं, वो भी जब आप लॉन्ग की तैयारी करते हो उसमें से शॉर्ट निकल आते हैं। तो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन सारे के सारे इसी वीडियो में से आए हैं। इस बार भी इसी में से ही आपके पेपर आना है, इनकी तैयारी बहुत अच्छे से कर लेना। हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट है व्हेन वाज इंडस वाटर ट्रेटी साइंड एंड बिटवीन होम। एंड देन व्हेन वाज प्राइम मिनिस्टर इंदिरा गांधी assassinated. And next, what is drug addiction. And then give 4 reasons for female feticide. And then write any 2 economic effects of migration. And next, what was the Reorganization Act 1966. And then what was NPE. And next, what was Green Revolution. And next, write any 2 impact of economic development after 1966. And next, write any 2 issues of river waters between Punjab and Haryana. And next, what is the problem of drug menace. And then who was Amrita Pritam. And next, write any 2 works of Amrita Pritam. And then who was Bhaiveer Singh. And next, who was Shiv Kumar Batalvi. And then write any 2 effects of migration. And next, what was the main causes of demand of Punjabi Suba. And then write any 2 effects of Green Revolution. And then write the names of any 4 small scale industries of Punjab. And then what is the problem of female feticide. And next, what do you mean by gender discrimination. And then when was the basis of demand for reorganization of the Punjab. And next, when was Indus Water Treaty signed and between whom. And then write any 4 centers of small scale industries in Punjab. And then what is the main causes of farmer suicide in Punjab. And next, what act was passed by the Indian Parliament to grant proprietary rights to the quasi-permanent allotted vacant lands and rural houses. And then what was the basis of demand for the reorganization of the Punjab. And next, what is the objectives of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. And then who was Norman Ernest Borlaug. And then what do you know about the Satluj Yamuna link canal. And then which act was passed by the government to curb sale and use of drugs. And next, who is Balwant Gargi. And then write any 2 social impact of migration in Punjab. And then what were the 4 problems faced by the administration during rehabilitation. And then what was Punjabi Suba. And next, discuss any 2 features of Reorganization Act 1966. And then define Green Revolution. And next, what were HIV seeds. And next, write 2 causes of drug problems in Punjab. And next, what was the role of educational institutions in the rehabilitation of the refugees in East Punjab. And next, which chief minister of Punjab opposed the formulation of Punjabi Suba. And then give 2 positive effects of Green Revolution. And next, when was University Grant Commission established and with what purpose. And next, who was Justice Gurnam Singh. And then why did Sikhs oppose Nirankaris. And next, give 2 effects of gender discrimination. And next, name the weekly magazine started by Veer Singh. And then when and where was Amrita Pritam born. And next, what was Anandpur Sahib resolution? And next, name 2 prominent leaders of Punjabi Suba movement and define sex ratio. And then who was Harchand Singh Longowal? And then where was Punjab Agriculture University in Punjab established and when? Sorry. And then name the agricultural scientist who developed high yielding varieties of wheat. And then who was Pratap Singh Cairo? And list 4 problems faced by refugees. यूनिट फर्स्ट के लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन इस तरह से हैं. डिस्कस द प्रॉब्लम of rehabilitation and resettlement of the refugees in the East Punjab after partition, and then discuss the problems of rehabilitation of the displaced people from the West Pakistan after the partition of the country, and then describe main stages leading to the formation of Punjabi Suba in 1966, and then discuss migration and its social economic impact, and then discuss rehabilitation and resettlement in Punjab after independence, and then what was socio-economic impact of migration of people from Pakistan on Punjab in 1947, and then discuss the demand for Punjabi Suba and Reorganization Act 1966, and then discuss in detail the process of rehabilitation in Punjab, and then what was the social economic impact of migration of people from Pakistan on Punjab in 1947, and then describe the circumstances leading to the formation of Punjabi 1966, and then discuss the process of rehabilitation and resettlement of migrants in Punjab, and then what were the causes of demand of Punjabi Suba and the Reorganization Act of 1966, and describe the main stages leading to the formation of Punjabi Suba in 1966. Unit 2, describe features of development of education in Punjab since 1947, and then what were the main features of development of education post 1966 in Punjab, and then make an estimate of the progress made by Punjab since 1966, Green Revolution and its impact, and then what was Green Revolution, what was the impact on Punjab, and then give important features of Green Revolution and discuss its impact also, and discuss causes and impact of Green Revolution, and then what was Green Revolution, what were its important features and its impact on Punjab, what were the major social economic developments in Punjab between 1966 to 1980, and then what were the main developments in the field of education in Punjab, and then describe political and economic development in the Punjab after its reorganization in 1966, and then discuss the post-independence development of education in Punjab. And Unit 3, discuss the issues of boundary and water between Punjab and Haryana, and then describe issues of boundary faced by Punjab after independence, and then what were Operation Blue Star and also discuss its impact, and discuss the boundary dispute between Punjab and Haryana over water, and what do you understand by Operation Blue Star, what were the causes of rise of militancy in Punjab, and then what were the main economic issues in the 1990s in Punjab, and then what were the main socio-economic developments in Punjab in the 1990s. What do you know about the Punjab issues of boundary and waters, and briefly describe Operation Blue Star and its impact. Last unit, Unit 4, discuss the causes and impact of farmer suicide in Punjab, critically discuss the problem of female feticide in the Punjab, and third, write the developments of literature with the reference to the writing of Bhai Veer Singh, and then discuss the literary achievements of Amrita Pritam, and discuss the literary achievement of Bhai Veer Singh, and next is what were literary achievements of Shiv Kumar Batalvi, and next write a note on the development of Punjabi literature with special reference to Bhai Veer Singh and Shiv Kumar Batalvi. इसके साथ आपको मैप का क्वेश्चन होगा जो इस तरह से हो सकता है, दोनों में से चॉइस है, चाहे आप मैप का क्वेश्चन करो चाहे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, ये इसमें से इस तरह से ये पूछा जा सकता है. ऑन मैप ऑफ पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस पंजाब मार्क द फॉलोइंग प्लेसेस एंड राइट एन एक्सप्लेनेटरी नोट ऑन एनी 2. ये प्लेसेस इस तरह से हो सकती है: लुधियाना, दिल्ली, अमृतसर, अंबाला, तरन तारण, खेमकरण, हिसार, पानीपत, कादियाँ, जलंधर, करनाल, गुरदासपुर एंड चंडीगढ़. स्टूडेंट्स, इसके अलावा बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पंजाबी, इंग्लिश और हिंदी मीडियम में यहीं पे मिल जाएंगे, वहाँ से अपने पेपर की तैयारी कर सकते हो. थैंक यू सो मच. मिलते हैं हम अपने अगले वीडियो में.